channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. Gonna be a lot of great content coming from this channel for the 6th Gen Camaro. Today, I've got a brand new set of 2-years I'm gonna unbox for you guys. They're gonna be going on the NA build that I'm working on right now with the Turbo 400. A little update on that. Still waiting on the trans. Got the motor here. Everything's either in the mail or just getting finished up, so should be starting on the build very, very soon. Can't really start until I get all the parts in house, but wheels should be here hopefully this week here. If they do come in this week, I'll make sure I make a good video for you guys on those. I've got some really good looking RC components coming for the car. Those will be a surprise what those look like. When those come in, I'll show you all those. Spent a lot of money on those, but they're really, really nice. So this is a good set of 2-inch Kooks headers. I bought these from GPI when I went down there last week. I did have Texas Speed 178s on the car before. Wanted to go to a 2-inch, get a little bit more power. Let's go ahead and open these up and kind of show you all the quality and everything of the Kooks. All right, and I did get the ones that do not come with connection pipes, but I'm going to chop the V-flange off and make my own 3-bolt flanges for them. Right there. Packaged really well, so if you're gonna have them shipped to you, these were shipped to GPI. Shouldn't have any issues. Doesn't look like there's any damage yet. Packaged really well. Nice box. Try to keep this box just in case I ever go turbo and decide to sell somebody these headers. All right. Well. Take a look at them. Looks pretty nice. Nice Kooks logo there. Welds look really good. Nice thick flanges. Yeah. So I'm not going to use the V-bands. I'll probably chop right here. Weld on some nice flanges. I've got some actually right here. I'm gonna connect this to my NPP exhaust as well too, because I do street drive the car a lot as well. But this is 3-bolt exhaust flange there. After you chop that V-band connection off, and real nice race exhaust there. Real nice race exhaust. Probably just about the right length there. And also I'll be able to connect it to my MPP as well, because my MPP already has the 3-bolt flanges on there. Just some cheap flanges I got from Jegs. That's just a turn down pipe, custom race exhaust. Let's see what else we got with this. I'm not gonna need these, but somebody out there might. These are just rear O2 extensions. I'm going to be 2 speed density, so I'm not even going to need O2s. Looks like it comes with all the hardware. V-band connections. Like I said, I'm not going to use those. I'm going to use the 3-bolt flanges. Oh! Nice. Comic gaskets. Nice. A bit of heat shield. Instructions, and the best part, stickers. Sticker go on the wall somewhere. This seems to be a really nice exhaust. Really, really high quality. Check them out again. Collector. These are a lot nicer than the Texas Speed ones I had. But of course, they're a lot more money than what the Texas Speed ones are too. But these are 2-inch, so I will definitely make some more power with these. Pretty happy with the quality. I'll let you guys know how they fit. I'm actually gonna put them on the motor before I actually put the motor in, just because it's gonna be easy because the motor's out right now, and I definitely will have plenty enough room to get the motor in with the headers already attached to it. 400 will be attached to it, so I'll have practically the whole powertrain attached and just slide it right in. But really, really nice headers. Definitely recommend them. GPI's got them on their website. I'll link it down below. They sell them with connection pipes too. They sell them with catted pipes. Lots of different options for those. All different pricing depending on what you need. This is the cheapest option here, is to go without the connection pipes and just kind of make them work yourself. But guys, if you have any questions about these headers, feel free to message me. You can find me on Facebook, Zach Bowman, or you can just message me here on YouTube. But thanks for watching the No BS Camaro channel. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I've got a ton of parts coming. Gonna kind of do this on about everything we got coming in, just for the most part. Then we should start assembling the car here in about a week or so.